Alright, I guess this will be a test of the new camera setup. It's my new mic, and we'll see how this goes. I guess we'll do an unboxing of the eBay Pistons I got here for the vr4. I mean, so far it's okay, I guess. Alright, what do we got here? We got our rings. So it's going to come with some instructions. Remove ridge at top of ring travel before pistons are removed from block. Failure to remove ridge will result in damage to top of new ring and bending or breaking of second ring land. If cylinders are excessively tapered or out of round, they should be reconditioned. Clean pistons. Well, not that I'm any good at this, but looks like the spelling's okay. The rings look good. About what I expected. And it appears I've got some pistons. So the real question to me is, are they really vr4 pistons, or are they, regular SL pistons? I'm really be screwed if they're not. They appear to be dished. I mean, honestly, for what I paid for them, I really can't say I'm mad, I guess. Kind of scared. And honestly, the packaging's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I was a little worried. It's a couple little dings. I mean, it's a rough cast, but they are just replacements. They are not supposed to be any kind of high performance or anything. Let's open the second one here. DNJ. I don't know what the fuck that means. And same shit. We'll open one of our pins here. They do seem to be a tight fit. And I have one of the pistons over here. I guess what we can do, pull our calipers out. And measure. $866 thousandths of an inch, which is not bad. What do we got here? The 866 thousandths of an inch. So we do match the old piston as far as the pin. I've got 3-inch 563 thousandths of an inch on the new piston. Which, of course, this is not the right way to measure this, and I got the rings on this one, so that's probably a problem too. What do we got? That's a problem. Hey, I'm not pulling that. Whatever, dude. Let's see if I can pull these rings off real quick. $852 thousandths of an inch. This might be. Oh, no. This is very dependent on where I'm measuring. It looks like. And honestly, it looks like. Pull this oil ring out. It's supposed to be standard. Now I'm getting a little worried, a little nervous. They're not going to fit in the bore. The widest I got here is 3" 561 thousandths. 62 thousandths maybe. I also can't duplicate that. They might be $1,000 over. That's actually pretty impressive for the price. So I guess the last thing I'd like to check. I already weighed the old ones. I guess we'll pull our scale out. Yeah, don't do that. I need these parts. So I hope you can see this. Since it is just a video test, I'm not too concerned. So I measured it at 547.2 grams. I'm not even close now. Oh, I gotta get off the box. Let me see. No. Oh, that was with the. Yeah. That was with the rings. 547.6. But we'll be measuring those without. 520 grams on the dot. I might even want to mark that real quick. And the new Pistons are 530 grams, so they are heavier. They are 10 grams heavier. The exact same 530 though, so that they are even. 547.2 is one of the heaviest ones I did have. 547.8 was the heaviest one I had. So it looks like I'm gonna do me a little grinding to get our weights identical. So we're talking 10 grams Oh, 500. I mean, dude, what are we really talking here? 2%? I mean, we're probably well within. It doesn't fucking matter. So, there you go. If you're looking for cheap replacement pistons, honestly, it seems like bang for buck. This Car Wizard brand over there on eBay really doesn't look to be a bad buy. I mean, we'll find out how they hold up in the future. You know, there's a chance that they are total shit. There's a chance they're just a regular cast fucking piston. We'll find out.